Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Global Healthy Living. In this video, I'm going to present to you the deadly mistakes that parents do and harm their children's health. But before I continue, please subscribe to my channel and be part of Global Healthy Family. This presentation is research based. So, the first deadly mistake that parents do and harm their children's health is domestic violence. According to research, children that have witnessed domestic violence or that are a victim of domestic violence are at a higher risk of developing physical and mental health problems. These problems can be long-term healthy problems. Like for instance, they develop asthma, they tend to develop anxiety, depression, they tend to have cognitive issues. They develop also frequent mental disabilities. They develop also coronary heart disease and other things like stroke, insomnia, and learning difficulties. So parents, please stop domestic violence. The second deadly mistake that parents do is child rejection. According to research, child rejection triggers responses in the body that can increase a person's risk for maladies such as asthma, cardiovascular disease, and depression. So please, parents, what reason can it be that can cause you to reject your child? Your rejection is causing healthy problems to children. You should stop that. The third deadly mistake which parents do is exposing children to cigarette smoke. If you may not know, cigarette smoke contains over 7,000 chemicals and hundreds of toxins. So if you expose your child to cigarette smoke, it automatically makes that child a second-hand smoker. So parents, please protect your children against smoke from cigarettes, because if you don't, your children are likely to get health issues like for instance ear infections. Ear infections as a result of cigarette smoke affects the middle ear, and to treat this infection it needs surgery, which is really painful. Another problem that develops as a result of exposing children to cigarette smoke is respiratory diseases such as pneumonia, such as severe asthma attacks, and it can be also bronchitis. So parents, protect your children against cigarette smoke. More to that, children that are exposed to cigarette smoke also get other respiratory issues such as problems with breathing. It can be coughing, wheezing, it can be chest infections and colds. And the fourth deadly mistake that parents do is introducing children to alcohol use. Please, parents, don't give alcohol to children. If you give alcohol to children, you're risking these children to develop health problems. If a child begins to use alcohol, it doesn't matter even if they are 15 years, it can affect the development of their vital organs, their liver, their brain, their bones, and their hormones. So don't give children alcohol. You are destroying their health. The fifth deadly mistake that parents do is a failure to treat infections. Parents, please, it is very vital for you to take children to hospitals whenever they are sick. Failure to treat infection is dangerous because those infections stay in their bodies and then turn into other serious, deadly, healthy problems. Like, for example, if a child has malaria and you fail to treat malaria and it stays in the body for a long time, it turns into cancer in long run. Please, parents, there are many infections that can cause health problems like kidney diseases, respiratory issues. So please, parents, take your children to hospitals whenever they are sick. The sixth deadly mistake that parents do is self-medication. Self-medicating children is really dangerous. Parents, please, you're not doctors. Stop self-medicating children. There are so many healthy problems associated with the self-medicating of children. Like, for instance, if you self-medicate a child for a long time, they can develop resistance to medicines. Like, for instance, antibiotics. If you give your child antibiotics for a long time, they develop resistance to antibiotics, and you know antibiotics are really vital for us. They can develop other issues like possible poisoning. You can give your child wrong medication and then turns into poison. Please don't give medicine to your child. It can be a problem with the wrong medicine to a wrong condition. Please don't do that. You're destroying children's lives. So parents, stop self-medicating children. Another deadly mistake that parents do is giving much salt to children. Using much salt is not good. Not good even to adults. A high salt intake in children influences blood pressure and may predispose an individual or a child to the development of a number of diseases like high blood pressure. It can be respiratory illnesses such as asthma, stomach cancer, and obesity. Salt, too much salt is not good. The last but not least is giving much sugar to children. Parents, please, much sugar is not health at all. It's a mistake you're doing. I know children love it when it's so sweet, but it's really damaging their health. If you give much sugar to children, these children not only damage their teeth, but also get chronic diseases like diabetes, heart diseases, and cancer. So please, parents, don't give children much sugar, as it's not good. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, share, and comment, like. Thank you.